Hi, I'm Jan. I'm a senior designer working at a graphics art studio in Toronto. We work on packaging for many major brands for advertising agencies. Our LaCie 5 big NAS hard drive of 8 years suddenly had a malfunction. The power supply stopped working. Despite getting a new one, we were unable to access all our files on the network. The hard drive contained all our important design artwork files. This issue set us back for weeks until luckily we found secure data recovery services. Scott, our sales rep, was very responsive and prompt in getting back to us immediately after we submitted our requests. Of all the companies we contacted, they offered the best price, a free assessment, and were conveniently located in Toronto. When they assessed the 5 drives from our hard drive, they found that the RAID configuration was corrupted and needed to be rebuilt. Thankfully, the skilled technicians were able to troubleshoot and recovered our data for us within 2 weeks. Thank you, Secure Data Recovery Services. We are back up and running again.